Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here. Beautiful day in June on a Friday. We're in Guelph doing some tile and grout restoration for a move out, and I just want to take you guys in and show you what we're doing today. It's about 700 square feet of ceramic tile. We're restoring all of the grout. And as you can have a look here, this is the front entranceway. And this is kind of where we've left off. Still have to color seal this portion. We're not doing the imported marble, but I just want to show you how beautiful the imported marble is from Italy. Working back through here. We'll be doing the washroom. You can see where we've left off. Down the hall and into the laundry area. So this grout sealer, we import in from Florida. It's an acrylic water-based color seal with concrete and urethane hardeners in it. So it's going to harden up the grout like concrete. It's going to make it waterproof and stain proof. So this will never stain or discolor, will never yellow, fade, chip, or peel. Makes it great for anyone who's selling. Just makes the floors look brand new. I like to say better than brand new. Kind of see through here as well. Got a few of our things still left behind. And to take you out back. Lovely yard. And as always, we have an open truck policy. We like to keep a clean truck. So if you are looking for any tile and grout restoration, give us a call at Carmichael Cleaning, 519-208-8533, or visit us on our website at carmichaelcleaning.ca.